Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fhred, and today we're making mummy pizzas. Because it's Halloween soon, we wanted to make something spooky per se. This is not spooky enough, but it was fun to make and it was really easy. So again, if you like my channel, please click that subscribe button. If you like my content, please like the videos you're watching. If you want me to make something different, something specific, comment it down below and share my videos to your family. Because I'm shareable, like my food. I'm joking, but you know, ta-da! Here are our ingredients. We'll need bread. So this one is a pizza bruschetta that I found at Kohl's. You can use whatever bread you want as long as you follow the shape. This one was perfect already, so that I didn't have to do much about it. We'll need some black Kalamata olives, red onion, green capsicum, mushrooms, salami, Italian mixed herbs, but you can use whatever herbs you want, some passata sauce, and mozzarella. So let's begin. Let's start with the onion. We're just gonna cut it thinly. We don't need the entire onion, we just need a little bit of it, so half should be fine. Just remove everything for now. Just want to slice it thinly. So, alright, that's it. So next up is our capsicum. So what we want to do is cut off the ends, like so. I feel like I've done this several times on my video, and you just want to go inside there and rotate to remove the center of the capsicum, like so. And oh, that fell, and that's alright. Next up is you just want it to be cut into strips as well. Not a lot of strips, not long strips, it could be short strips as well, so that it fits our pizza a bit more. So we have our mushroom here. Since our bread is kind of small, what I want to, and our mushrooms are really big, you just want to cut it in half and then slice it like this, so that it's a bit smaller as well, like so. Now we have our black Kalamata olives. So what we want to do is grab our olives and cut it into circular shapes, like so. You want to get something like this. So we're going to use it for eyes, basically. So it will look cool. So next up is our salami. You could use whatever cold cuts you want. You could use pepperoni as well. But this one is quite big, so you want to cut into smaller pieces as well. So I'll probably do like triangular shapes of this one, so that we could spread it around the pizza a bit more. Yeah, it's like, go for this one. You want it this thin as well, so as thin as this. So it's time for us to build our pizza. So we're going to start with our pizza sauce first, which is the passata sauce we have a while ago. Just like put it on top of your bread or whatever dough you're using to make your pizza. Just put it on top. Don't have to put too much as well, you just need to put a little bit. Just make sure that you're putting enough. Like so, just spread it around nicely. And then, after putting in the sauce, you want to put in some of the mixed herbs you have. Just sprinkle it on top. Mixed herbs on top. Then this can go in any order. Well, let's start with the onion. You want to put in some onion in there. Onions. It really is up to you if you want to put in a lot more or you don't want to put in onions. You can remove the onions. I love onions. So let's just put it in there. Next up is our mushrooms. Put in some mushrooms there. Like so. It's gonna be a little bit full. Add some mushrooms. And then some green capsicum. You can add a little bit of olives on the insides of it. Just a little bit. Hiding it somewhere. So we also have our salami. So I'm just gonna put in some salami everywhere. Add a bit more here. There you go. So what you want to do is grab your mozzarella cheese. So this is the technique that we want to do to create that mummy effect. Is that you want to center it into a specific area as well. Like you're trying to wrap your pizza into like a linen clothing. So we can recreate the pizza mummy effect. So I'm gonna do like a zigzag effect for this one to capture that moment. So as much as possible, make a line so that you can see the difference later. Yeah, that should be fine. Now you could use non-grated mozzarella cheese. I just thought that this one was like fun and funky, so why not? Again, do the zigzag for this one. There you go. So you just want it to be this way. Don't want to overpower it with cheese. So you want to show up some of the things that we made and then bake it in the oven. Once we preheat the oven to 180 on convection or any oven type, so it's 180 degrees in Celsius. So just put in your pizza for 5 minutes. Just put it inside. And let's wait for the cheese to melt. Now that our pizza is out, we just need to put in a little bit more details to make it look like a mummy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some ice into it. So I probably will choose an area where the cheese is predominantly there. So I'll put in this ice here. So that will look like a mummy. So just put in your olives. Like so. Look at that. You have a mummy pizza. We can also add one more detail set. If you have sriracha sauce, just add in some fake blood going down in there. Or you can use ketchup if you want to be less bloody. Look at that, it's dead, got stabbed.